Hi, this is Eddie with the House of Rags. We're going to teach you how to install the Luminus Glass Coating. There's been a lot of questions around it. First of all, let's talk about Prime. Prime is a luminous glass cleaner that has cerium oxide in it. Cerium oxide usually is easier when the panel is wet. So after we wash, clay, decon, etc., this is high. I suggest you use it. Get your favorite pad. I got a clean pad here. I put 3 dollops. Come in low speed. And I'm just going to real quick apply. Now, the more wet the glass, the better my experience when you're cutting the compound. We had a lot of people ask questions. Well, I can't get it to wipe off. I'm gonna show you how easy the wipe off is. This does not require a lot of work time, so you don't have to stay here for 20 minutes and cut glass. All this is doing is cleansing the glass, removing any coatings. And if you watch this clip, this had a ceramic coating on it, and it looked pretty good. Like, we didn't need to do this. I'm just teaching you for end to end how to install the Luminus way. So get there, get all the edges, and you are Gucci. So that's it. That's all you have to do. And here's how simple the wipe off is. That's it. I'm done. Now I'm going to dry the car. We're going to come back and we're going to show you how to apply the glass coating. So again, when you're using this product, it's easier with a hand polisher. A little goes a long way. Make sure the glass is wet. Make sure you spray it off. Then you dry, panel prep, and then we're going to apply the glass coating. Going to dry this. It is sticky icky because if you just did work on it, I'll dry this whole side here. I'm going to prep this car for a ceramic coating. Grab yourself the 1800 GOAT. It is so good. It dries. It'll dry this car 10 times. There's a video coming out if you haven't seen it yet. Maybe it is out, but you can see how absorbent this towel is. I'm good to go. Does a great job drying. Let's dry the whole side. Get it ready. We'll panel prep it because we're going to coat the car later, but you can always apply the glass coating first. And then when you're coming down to the lower side so it doesn't touch the ground, I always hold it with one hand. Come in, use this hand to do kind of like I'm pendulum, like I'm swinging. Right? Keep it stationary. That way you don't mess up your tiles by hitting the dirty floor. Good to go. When applying any type of coating, always degrease the panel. When I mean degrease, panel prep. Use the panel prep of your choice for here. I'm using Yum. A couple sprays. I have another one of our flagship towels, Mr. Twister. It's good. I always use purple or blue. That way I know wipe, wet, dry, buff. Come in. I box it in. Come in like that. I don't try to go for all of it. Come in with a dry towel. You can feel it. Squeaky clean. Squeaky clean. There we go. Now, we're going to apply the coating in this step. We have come to the time of applying Luminus Glass Coating. Remember, Luminus allowed us to open up all their coatings, which is for professionals only, to the whole market. So it requires a little bit of education, a little different than anything you're used to. When you open the box up, you're greeted with the coating. You're greeted with an applicator. The coating, anytime you get it, we want to shake the box. Don't save it. Don't throw it away. Don't make your spouse, partner upset. Just all the trash, throw away. Grab your applicator here. It's a nice touch, Luminus, okay? Nice touch, because when you come into the edge, you don't have to fight a big applicator. So you're going to take the bottle, shake it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and you want to make sure there's nothing at the bottom of here, because they use a lot of resins here. So when it looks like that, you're good to go. Open it. Boom. Always work in that ventilated area anytime you apply ceramic coating. Here's how I apply it. I want to saturate the pad first. Glass is so porous, right? So the more I have on here, the better. I'm going to make an X like that. Then I'm going to come up and down, and I am going to cross hatch it. Now, it's already dry. You're like, what? No way. Yes, yes. Remember, glass is porous. I want that glass to absorb as much as this coating. I'm going to come in and then come into the edges, come around. And if you're stickler about making sure you got enough coverage, you may also promote this where you do circles and you overlap the circles. So either way works. I'm just teaching you how I do it. And if you overlap the circles, you're just making sure that's an equal opportunity coating, meaning there's no spots left on the glass. Now you're greeted with something you've never seen before, a little haze, okay? You can see the haze on the glass. If I were to wipe this off right now, you're gonna get a nightmare experience, okay? Watch this corner here, Jay. It's not ready, you see that? It's always gonna leave something behind. Here's what you do. Put the coating down or do the whole rest of the car. come right back when you start. Start here, go there, go to the front windshield, go to the back, and then come back here. Should be about 5 minutes. When we get to 5 minutes, we're gonna show you what this looks like. Far away.
4, 3, 2, 1, set.
All right, we waited our 5 minutes. It's always good to use a timer. Everyone has a cell phone. If not, Alexa in your garage, you'll be set. Let's talk about what I have in my hand. If I go this route, and you take your time, we'll do this corner. You see the wipe off?
Mm-hmm.
Wipe off is glorious. You see that, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you see how I'm leaving some stuff behind?
Yep.
They recommend a damp, not wet. But what you do is you come in.
Oh, yeah.
You come in like this. Come in with my level 1. And the same thing with the corners.
Yep, get your
I
corners
grab
now.
my damp towel. Come in. Perfect glass.
Oh, that's nuts.
Look how slick it is, Jay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
That's nice.
The problem we're having is they're Korean. We don't have English instructions yet. We're learning that. And this coating is unique. Gives you an opportunity to do the whole car. Come back, wait 5 minutes. Use a damp. You see my towel. It's not wet. It's damp. One wipe, buff, walk away. You're good to go. And this is how you apply LS Glass. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. All these products, links in the description below. You can buy them at the House of Rags or anywhere in the country that sells Luminus, Carzilla, TLC Supplies, etc. We're out. After you wait about 2 to 3 hours is what they suggest. A little longer. The longer, the better. Your hydrophobic should look like that. Easy peasy. LS Glass. We're out.